I'm Tim Alden with Alden School of Leather Trades. Tonight we're working late on a purse. Got a little tip here for you. So I got the top here, and then we're going to have a pocket, and I didn't want the weight to be too much on this purse, so I'm just lining that pocket with a 2-3 ounce. And so I've stitched right along here where my tool piece comes down, and you'll notice a lot of times the back of your stitches will kind of pop up on the back. When we put another liner for the inside of the bag, we don't want those stitches to print through. So we're just going to wet this back side a little bit and push those stitches down. This is just a remnant at the hardwood store. Just take a really fine sandpaper to it and get it good and polished. Makes a great rubbing stick. And that's really all there is to it. It's a cool little trick. I use it on pretty much anything where the needle's pushing through, and it makes little bumps, like on the inside of this pocket, on the back side of my belts. It's the little details that make the difference between something mediocre and great. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and we'll see you next Tuesday.